everyone, it's Katie from Paradise Falls family. In this short video we'll be giving a brief overview of one of our favourite hotels, the InterContinental London O2 Arena. We stay here at least once a year and always have a wonderful time, so we thought we'd share our experience in detail. The hotel is special in that it sits directly next to the famous O2 Arena in London, one of the UK's best indoor venues. We've been to numerous events here, gigs and sporting events, and when we do, we always look to stay at this hotel if we can. Being so close to the arena means that after leaving the event, you're back at the hotel in just a couple of minutes and can enjoy a relaxing evening. Greg and I come for the C2C Music Festival every year, and we always stay here as our treat for the year. You can pop in and out of the festival all day and take it easy, and it works really well. We've also seen loads of artists around the hotel over the years, as quite often if someone is performing at the arena, they'll stay in this hotel overnight. The hotel is part of the luxury hotel chain InterContinental, part of the IHG group and our hotel chain of choice. IHG have a wide range of hotel brands covering a range of budgets and tastes. They have an excellent rewards programme which we use to accrue and spend points on stays. The past few years we've also upgraded to their Ambassador Club, which costs around £160 for a year and gives you a range of benefits including a 1 category room upgrade on every stay, a 4 PM checkout, a complimentary weekend night at an InterContinental hotel when paying in full for a second night, a restaurant or bar credit of $20 per stay, free water and free Wi-Fi. We often find that the free night pays for the membership itself and some more, so it's brilliant value, and we've got loads of perks, upgrades and free nights from our IHG membership over the years. The hotel itself consists of a couple of towers located to one side of the arena. Because of its location, you'll more than likely either have a view of the dome itself or the River Thames, with Canary Wharf just over the other side of the river. All of the rooms are fantastic quality. They have lovely comfy beds and fantastic bathrooms with a big bathtub and walk-in shower and massive windows to show off the brilliant views. There's never any noise from other rooms and we always feel so comfortable and relaxed staying here. We normally stay in a standard king classic room, with it usually being just the two of us. However, the past few times we've ended up in suites. One was a junior suite, which we got as an upgrade as part of our Ambassador Club perks, and the other was a 1-bedroom suite, which we booked as we brought the kids recently for the Team USA basketball game, and this was the only room size which fit the 4 of us. This was very similar to the junior suite, just with a wall separating the area in two, and an extra toilet as well. Around the hotel there are several bars and restaurants. The most popular seems to be the 18 Sky Bar, a cocktail bar and roof terrace on the 18th floor. Strangely enough, we've never actually tried this, but it's usually very popular after a gig, including with the artists themselves. The Meridian Lounge or the Clipper Bar are also good options, particularly if you have an Ambassador Club bar credit to use, and we often pop into one of these before a gig for a drink. If you're planning on having breakfast here, this will be served in the Market Brasserie. We don't normally bother with breakfast here, but we did try it on our last visit and really loved it. It's buffet style but with several a la carte options on the menu as well, and it has a fantastic selection of hot and cold food with brilliant service. It's definitely something we'd look to try again next time. Then finally, if you're after dinner, there's the Kinara restaurant on the 2nd floor, an award-winning Indian fine dining restaurant. Again, we've never tried this as we're usually just after something really quick to eat before a gig, but it looks amazing. And then if none of this is for you, you can always just pop over to the Dome, where there are dozens of restaurants and cafes within the main building which you can access at any time, and this is something we've done on many occasions. The hotel also has a pool and spa area. We've never tried the gym or the spa, but we really love the pool and took the kids here on our last visit. This is located on the ground floor off the reception area and has lovely changing rooms before the main pool and hot tub. It's a really nice space, although there are restricted hours for kids. It's a couple of hours in the morning and then a couple late afternoon. I understand why they do this, but for families it can be a bit restrictive, so keep this in mind. Outside of the front of the hotel there's a dedicated car park which costs £55 a day. Not cheap, but not the worst for central London. They also have Tesla EV chargers here, which are really useful after a long journey. Unfortunately, there aren't that many spaces in the car park itself, so we've struggled to get a space on occasions. They do have some overflow spaces behind the hotel, but you have to request access to these by asking at reception. If all else fails, there are several large arena car parks nearby that I believe cost a really similar amount to park. In terms of other transport links, the bus station is nearby and the tube station for the arena is just out on the other side of the dome, along with the IFS Cloud cable car, which takes you across the river and it's loads of fun. So it's really very easy to access if you're not driving, and it's something we'll probably look at next time we visit, rather than bringing the car every time. In terms of other things to do in the area, I've already mentioned the restaurants and cafes in the dome, but it's also a shopping centre. It has a cinema, indoor skydiving, and you can climb up the outside of the dome itself, or you can explore the surrounding Docklands area of London. So it's a great spot to come and stay. We always love it here. The service is incredible and it's a lovely treat for us when we get to visit. So that's our overview of the InterContinental London O2 Arena. If there's anything we've missed or anything else you'd like to know, then please let us know in the comments below and we'll do our best to help. If you have booked a stay here, you'll have a great time, so enjoy. As always, if you found this vlog useful, please give it a like and subscribe to support our channel. Thank you all so much for watching.